Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 3 days of sales on Poshmark and I sold 20 things in one day. It was awesome. So, ready for the Poshmark marathon? Here goes. All right, we're gonna get right to it. I've got this seamless bikini rose and moss panties. I got those out of a bulk box for about $1. I earned $1.25 on it. And so what I'm going to give you is I'm going to give you the money that I earned. So these actually sold for $6 and then I offered them a shipping discount. So I actually only earned $1.25. So that's my earnings, not what they sold for. $1.25. Then I'm going to tell you how much I spent on it, which was $1. And so then here I'm going to write 25 cents because that's actual plus money for me. So every number I write on the board is actual plus money. All right. So that's for that one. And then here, I spent $1 on it out of a liquidation box. My earnings were $3.25, so I earned $2.25. I should probably tell you what exactly I was holding up. Sorry, I got so excited about the money. All right, this is a Jockey Women's Slip Short Caramel, one of those shapewear shorts. All right, then the next thing I had is a 2-pack of Self Expressions t-shirt bras, gloss colored, which is kind of this light ivory kind of color, and then a navy color. And so this was $1.50 out of a liquidation box. $7.05 is what I earned. So $5.55 are my profits on that one. Then the next item I have is a really pretty Sophie B red and black padded underwire bra, 36D. I got that from Savers Thrift Store. And so I actually spent about $3 on it, earned $3.05. So that one, unfortunately, I've just made my money back. It's been on there a while, so I've been in the process of just slowly marking it down because I don't really want to keep things on my store that I have to keep sharing that I know I'm not really going to make a lot of money on. So if I can break even on some of my really old stuff, I'm okay with that because, like I said, the one I just sold right before it, I made $5.55. So that's awesome for me. All right, this is a bundle. This is a women's everyday bra, black. I literally just listed this about 2 days ago. Gilligan and O'Malley, which is a Target brand, and then an everyday bra, honey beige, Gilligan and O'Malley, both size 34B, both brand new with the tags on. I spent $1.50 each on those, which makes a total investment of $3. I earned $14.20. So I am at $11.20 for just 2 bras. So can you see why I didn't want to share this one anymore? When I can make $11.20 on that one, those ones. All right, then the next thing I have is it's swimsuit season. It's June, so we're selling lots of swimsuits. This is a new with tags. Young 17 is the brand. Medium halter suit with a bikini bottom. $8.25 is what I earned on that. $2 from my liquidator is what I bought them for, so $6.25 are my profits. I'm going to add all this up at the end and tell you how many orders I had for my 3 days of sales on Poshmark. I cannot get that last finger to work for 3, I guess. All right, now this one is a 5-pack of tops. They're all size small, and I had this set up on my store and I'm really excited about it. And so check it out. It's a mystery box and it's labeled mystery box 5 women's tops plus a secret gift. And so I have that in here and I have it kind of hidden because I don't want you to see the mystery gift, but I sold that. Those were all shirts that were really, really nice, but they're all size small. And so I probably got about $3 total invested in all the shirts and the mystery gift. And so I earned $11 on it minus my $3. I'm at $8 of profit on those 5 shirts. And so it's a fun way to move a lot all at once. And then we're going to wander back down on this side. We've got a bundle of 4 items. I've got a rare Academics 3X shirt. It basically has the logo, lots of cool stuff on it. Then I've got a reindeer pajamas. Yes, it's June and I sold reindeer pajamas. And then I've got 2 bras, a Fruit of the Loom 38 Double D underwire padded bra, and then another Curvation underwire padded bra 36 Double D. And so both of these, let me see, this bra and this bra were $2 a piece from the thrift store. So that's $4. They're in great condition. And then this came out of a liquidation box for $1. And then this came also out of the liquidation box for $1. So I've got 4, 5, 6 invested. $12 is what I sold the whole bundle for. So I'm at $6 for my profits on that bundle. And then of course, like I said, it's bathing suit season. Look at this color bathing suit. Woo! That's very bright. New with tags, shade and short twisted halter top and bottom. So this sold. I spent $2 on that. $7.05 is what I earned. So $5.05 is what I earned. And then these shoes, I'm sure you've seen me unbox these. They came from a Bulq box. These are really, really cute. A new day, new with tags, case strappy, stiletto heeled pumps. They're kind of like a metallic pink. So $2 out of a liquidation box is what I paid. $12 is what I earned. So $10 on those strappy sandals. I'm so excited. I did really well on those. All right. This I literally just listed about 2 days ago as well. This is a long line lace push-up bra by Exhilaration, 34B. I earned $7.05. $1 is what I paid out of a box of a bunch of stuff. So I'm at $7.05 minus $1, $6.05. All right, my next item is basically the same bra, but only it's in red. Wait, yeah, it's in red. And this came in a bundle. And so this one is exactly the same as that black one. It's a long line lace, but it's boysenberry red is the color, kind of like a burgundy. And so I've got that one, plus I've got this white everyday lift push-up bra, and I've got this pink, like a really light pink. It doesn't look pink probably on the video, but it's a very, very light pink, kind of rose color. And then I've also got a pair of, where'd they go? I had a pair of black underwear. Here they are. They're blending in with my black table. Sorry. So a pair of seamless black underwear. So each one of these actually all came out of the same liquidation box set that I got. So they're all $1 a piece. So $4 is what I have invested. $23.80. And so I'm at $19.80. I'm super excited about that. So that was great that I did that bundle. All right. Then I have a tie that I've had on there for a while. Believe it or not, these ties sell really great. $6.05 is what I earned. About $1 is all I got invested in that. And so I'm at $5.05. All right, then I have a New Day Mohana Dorsi pointed toe ballet flats. These are so cute. I absolutely love these shoes. And I've got them in a couple of different sizes, so check them out if you think they're cute as well. They're kind of a blue, and they've got the cutout on the side. They're cute little ballet flats, but they're all brand new, and they come in their original box. So a New Day Mohana Dorsi pointed toe ballet flats is what they're called. Check them out on my closet. I've got some more in various different sizes. I earned $7.05 on those. And I'm around $5 investment on that. So I'm at $2.05 on those shoes. And then I've got a bundle of 2 items. These are kind of curious little items. This is a pair of cute toddler unicorn sheep sandals. Looks like a unicorn sheep booty slippers. And then I've got a women's black dress. And so it's kind of a weird combo, but it's probably one for mom, one for baby. And so we're at $6.40. The dress came out of a liquidation box as well as the sheep unicorn sandal. So I'm at about $3 of investment there, $6.40. So I'm at $3.40 on those. Then I've got a plus sizes always sell. I always say that on my channel. This is a women's plus size Racerback bralette made by Auden. I think that's how you say A-U-D-E-N. Please correct me if I pronounce it wrong. So this actually cost me $1.25. $7.25 is what I earned. So $6 even are my profits on that one. Then I've got a bundle. My next thing is a bundle. Actually, no, I just put shoes on top. So my next thing actually is just a pair of underwear. So these were $1 out of a liquidation box. These are women's 2-pack seamless black briefs underwear for $5.05, and I paid $1, so $4.05. It's a very giant decimal point there. Got carried away. All right, then I've got these Really cute Skechers Zilina Lights ankle sneakers. Look at these. These are amazing. Bling, bling. And I think they light up. Let me see. These ones are lighting up. There you go. The other ones probably do. I just don't want to knock my table into oblivion trying to get them to light up. So I'll test them before I ship them, but I know I tested them before I listed them. All right, so those were $2 out of a liquidation box. $8.05 is what I earned, so $6.05 are my profits there. Then the next thing I have is a large plus-size bra that I got from the thrift store. I paid about $2 for it from the thrift store. $3.25 is what I earned, so I'm at $1.25 on that plus size Playtex 42D bra. And then the next thing I've got is Batman underwear. Yes, Batman underwear. I got those actually on clearance at Walmart for $1. And then I have this cute little zebra print fox Racerback tank top that I got for $1 as well. And so I'm at $2 of investment. $5.55 is what I earned. So I'm at $3.25 for my in-pocket profits there. And then I've got these really Wild Favor high-rise 5-pocket jean shorts, and those came out of a liquidation box for $2. $3.25 is what I earned, so I'm at $1.25. Remember, all these numbers I'm giving you is after all of the fees from Poshmark, all of the shipping and everything included, so it's total earnings for me. All right, the next thing I have is just a Shade & Shore women's strap halter bikini top only. This came out of a liquidation box for $1. I've had it on my store forever. $1.05 is what I earned. So I made a whopping 5 cents, but it's one less item to share out of my gazillion things I have on my store. All right. And if you're looking for swimsuit tops, I've got a ton and they're really, really cute. This is actually a bundle I made myself so that in one listing, I've got 3 separate shirts. They're all the same brand and all the same size. So that's an idea. If you've got some low dollar things, throw them all together and make one listing out of them. You may earn more. So this, I actually, with all 3 of these all came out of my closet, so I don't have to pay for them. But $5.25 is what I earned, so $5.25 is what I get to keep. All right, then I've got, I told you it was like a Poshmark marathon, a bundle of 3. I have got a padded underwear bra, 38. This one is a long line lace push-up bra by Exhilaration, brand new. That was $1. And then I've got this padded underwire one that I got from the thrift store for about $2. And then I have another women's underwire Exhilaration 38D black bra for $1. So I'm at $4 total investment. $11.05 is what I earned. And so $11.05 minus the 4 is $7.05. And here you thought we were done. No, we have a whole nother row. And this was actually one of the coolest things that I sold in the last 2 days. So it's June, and you wouldn't think something like this would sell, but it did. I actually sold a Marvel Black Panther new with tags Wakanda's Dory Melage costume set. So it's a medium size 8-10. I've got costumes, and it's really neat because you can list these as cosplay or Halloween. So they sell in June. My earnings were $9.05. I actually got them out of a liquidation box for $2, and so $7.05 are my profits for selling a costume in June. So that was really cool. All right, then I've got a bathing suit, which totally makes sense. A new with tags Beach Betty large slimming control swimsuit. This came out of a liquidation box for $2. I earned $20.60. So I'm super excited about that one. $18.60 after I pay myself back. Then I've got a Hot Shapers tummy control waist trainer belt. These were 50 cents that I've had forever. And so $3.25 is what I earned. So $2.75 are my profits on that. Then I've got some high-waisted Tame Your Tummy thong, black, size 2X. And so basically it's a compression on the front end there. $1 out of a liquidation box is what I spent. $3.25 is what I earned. So $2.25 are my profits on that. And that I actually just listed recently as well. Then I've got a new with tags Wild Favor black colorful side stripe romper. It's a romper for $1.05. This came out of a liquidation box for about $1, and so I'm at 5 cents of earnings. That one has also been on there quite some time. So one less share for me, but I really wish I would have made a little bit more money. But hey, someone's getting a good deal. Alrighty, then I have a bundle of 7 items. So I'm going to read them off, and then I'll add it all up at the end. All right, so I've got a new tag, odd-in wire-free. This is a nursing sleep bralette, black, soft wireless, size small. Then I have got a Gilligan and O'Malley, full coverage, macchiato tan underwire nursing bra. Then I have a new tags, odd-in wire-free molded cup nursing bra. Evidently, it's a new mom. And then I have a casual Ralph Lauren size 4 khaki shorts. Listen, if this mother is wearing size 4 khaki shorts, that's amazing. She's nursing and skinny. So hopefully these are for her teenager, or she's just the most amazing person I've ever met. All right, so size 4 shorts. And then I've got a feminine, a New Day gem embellished sweater, size extra small. Again, tiny person. All right, then I have a sweater, charming new tags chap denim neck sweater top, size medium, and then a 4-pack of underwear, new tags Hanes microfiber high cut tagless bikini underwear. So let's go over how much it costs. So this was $1. This was 50 cents from the Goodwill outlet, 50 cents. So I'm at $2. Then $1 for each one of the bras. So I'm at $5 plus an additional 50 cents. So I'm at $5.50. I earned $34.20 on that one. So I am at $18 and trying to think, what's 20 minus 50? $18 and let me see. I'm trying to do the math. It's not, and 70 cents.
You're 28.
You're right. $28. $28 because it was 34. I'm not used to having numbers that high. So $28.70. All right. Hey, yell at me if I have done my math wrong. Just comment, do your math better. All right. Anyway. Okay, then 2 more things, I promise, and then we're done. Okay, then we've got a women's 2-pack seamless black briefs underwear, size extra large. $5.05 is what I earned. $1 is what I spent on it, so $4.05. And then the very last thing that I've got on my list is a simple Bulq size 14 swim bottom with an attached skirt. That actually came from the Goodwill outlet for 50 cents. Really good condition. So $1.55. Very good. So I'm going to add up how many orders this is and how much money I earned for 3 days of sales on Poshmark. And I even sold a costume, and I got to sort of meet a skinny mom. All right, I've added up everything. I even did it twice to make sure I had the numbers right. All right, we earned $190.15 for these 3 days on Poshmark for a total of 32 separate orders. Like I said, one of the days I had over 20, and then, you know, about 5 to 7 items the next couple of days. So I was really excited about these sales. You can sell costumes and all sorts of things in the month of June. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.